Wondering what makes Canva so dang popular? Well, you can make anything from quick graphics to highly professional designs. So let's explore what Canva is all about. At its most basic, Canva is a graphic design tool. So you can use it to create graphics. But did you know that it's also a document editor? It's also a video editor. It's also an AI tool. There is so much that can be done with Canva. The versatility inside of Canva is one of the main reasons why it is so popular because it appeals to so many different people for so many different uses. I'm going to show you just a few of the things that I have created just in the last year using Canva. All right, I have created bingo boards, brand boards, chore charts, coupons, ebooks, email headers, email signatures, Etsy graphics, favicons, invitations, logos, mock-ups, mood boards, playbills, podcast art, posters, printables, proposals, resumes, social media graphics, templates, thumbnails, worksheets. Even this video was created using Canva. So if you're ready to jump in with both feet, I want you to do two things. First, I want you to bookmark this playlist because it is a Canva beginner course. We are going to go step by step through Canva so that you can learn how to create all the things I just showed you. In the next video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Canva features and interface. Number two, head down to the caption in this video, and in there is a link to a PDF over on Etsy that you can get, which will serve as a companion guide to this course. I'll show you here in video format how to use Canva, but when you're ready to put everything into action and don't want to come searching through this whole playlist, that PDF guide is going to be your reminder with lots of visuals and instructions on exactly where to find the tool you're looking for.